Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, I was able to screen capture video. Now, this is the text summarizer, and it works pretty good for summarizing any number of articles, um, basic things. I mean, it's a very simple app, does a good job, and it does this one thing pretty well. So, if you need a summary or some bullet points from a long text, usually pretty good one to use. And that one's just called AI Text Summarizer. Okay. This is Code Lita, I believe. hmm This is a good one if you're interested in programming or you do programming. Because, I mean, if you're having trouble with code, this might be able to help you out some. I haven't done extensive testing on it, but I have heard good things about it. And this is another free one. The AI Text Summarizer and CodeLita are one of those that's free. Okay, Oceans of AI is next, and this one just uh, shows you some of the different AI engines that they have and AI apps that you can look at. It seems like a pretty comprehensive list. Okay, the AI kit. This one runs on credits, but you can earn free credits. So I would put this in the free category. Just gotta watch some ads or something like that. Get some free credits. Okay, and it can generate images. It can do a few things. Haven't used it too much, but it does seem pretty good. This one, this next one coming up, Freitas AI. This is a good one for creating posts for social media, things like that, ads. You know, I do like this one. I've tried it out a couple of times. Seems to work fairly well. Not too complicated. And it's giving you some of the different options there. Okay, see, and this is some of the things that it generated. Oh, that's just JJ calling. My homeless buddy. Cloney AI, that's AI voice generation. It's good if you have. I guess it's also going to introduce face cloning, but this is a good one if you have a friend that can't always be there, but you're working on something and he's got the better voice or something, and you just need another person. You can. I'll show you in just a second. You can take like 30-second clips and basically capture their voice. Gives you a few options of where to get the voice from. I think 30 seconds of audio or more is recommended. PixArt. Haven't really used that one that much. Um, Maybe I'll get into it. It does have some decent tools in it. Now, really, I've saved the best for last. And I'll show you which one that one is. You'll be a little bit surprised by the one that the best one that I thought was out there. Okay, this Light X. This one is like PixArt. I personally prefer this one. It's got more tools to it, a little easier to use, and for the most part, free. And if you guys want to know anything else about this, just feel free to comment. Canva, that's another good one. This one is, well, it covers a pretty broad range, and I personally like it, but it's not really free to use. A good chunk of the tools you do have to pay for it, but they do have like a 14-day trial. Magic Studio is apparently where they keep most of their AI tools at, so just keep that in mind when you're looking for it. Now, Canva is something that you can also use on your computer. You can go to the web browser or the Microsoft Store, wherever, and actually use Canva. So you can use that on your phone as well as your computer. Adobe Lightroom is definitely not free. As you know, nothing from Adobe is. So, but if you really want to like fiddle around with photos and raw images, then it's probably a good one to have. I would I would definitely try it out first, like with the free trial, before I made any decisions about that. Especially if you're not super used to editing. Okay, Light Cut, this is a really good one. Although you usually have to have a DJI device, like one of their gimbals, which, doubles as a selfie stick, or a drone or something like that, one of their little things. But really, it's a great tool, and you may be able to use it without actually having to have one of their devices. But I use DJI stuff, so uh, so I've it without linking a device to it. It's one of the better video editing apps, I'd say. Okay, the best ones for last, and that is the Microsoft Bing AI tool that they have. I mean, you can summarize text, ask it questions, generate images, all sorts of stuff, except basically video editing. But it's absolutely free, gives good results, and they always update it. Now it's going to be called Amazon Copilot. I mean, not Amazon Copilot, excuse me. It's going to be called, Microsoft's going to call it, uh, like, probably like Bing Copilot or just Copilot. Anyways, the Copilot is just the AI tool for Bing and Microsoft. Now, you can have this on your phone. You can also have it on your computer in the browser. It's one of the better ones, and this one is my favorite for just versatility for everything other than video editing. So you can ask it to create an image. In fact, Microsoft is actually coming out with a new keyboard layout, because they're adding the Bing Copilot button. So I think it's gonna kind of go where either like the right Alt button or the right Windows button is at the bottom of the keyboard on the right. So I mean that's how much that uh, they're really investing into this, and how much confidence they have in it. And I don't blame them. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good little tool. He just created some images. Although this time I created it without any color, so I'm just going to ask it, can you add create images with color? So, and when people talk about images from text prompts, this is what they're talking about. Can you add color to the images? Yep. Okay, see, yep, and it added color. Came back with images that were in color. So it works. It also has little suggestion prompts at the bottom. See, now that's a pretty good image right there. Okay, so if you're doing anything other than video editing or coding, then I would suggest the Microsoft Bing Copilot. And you can have widgets for it on your phone. And it's this one right here that says start. Cloney AI is good if you want to capture someone's voice. CodeLita coding. Lightcut's a great AI video editor for your phone. So that about does it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, share. Every little bit helps. And thanks for watching. I hope that you got something out of this. And again, sorry about not being able to do this Sunday, but I was just completely worn out from a surprise road trip my brother wanted me to go on to Savannah. So yeah, I just was wiped out after that. Okay, until next time, this is the Modern Redneck signing off. Okay, y'all have a good one. Hope your New Year's going great.